interlace behind your neck.
All right.
And back
And
down.
the goal for this is to go up to
Right
the
there. Back out.
Okay, so when I do
Good.
it
How'd
myself,
that feel?
I'll start at
Great.
the arm myself.
Great.
Yeah.
Wow.
Or you can ask my wife to
Excellent.
Mhm.
you know, align all your spinal cord. Yeah. Alright, did you feel good?
Yeah.
Alright, good. Yeah, you didn't need to hold on. Usually people grab
Right down
onto the
here.
arm
Okay.
the first time, so you did really good today. And then we
Excellent.
have these wipes here, so whenever you're done
Good.
using them, you can just wipe them down. And then just hang them back up for the next use.
Okay, so good. Nice.
We'll go
There you go. Power's on.
Wow. Yeah.
So we'll start with